Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. This time we're going to dig into creating custom statuses. So before I get started, let me explain what this function does. You may be in the process of a project or a task or even creating a lead or an opportunity and you need some custom statuses. So these are statuses that may be specific to your company that we may not have available in the system. So in order to get started, you can log in, and once you're on the dashboard, you can click on the top three dots to expand the mega menu. From here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to Organization, and you're going to click on New Status. Now, once the screen loads, you'll be asked to give it a label and a description, and then we're going to determine what we're going to assign this to. So for example, let's say I need to create a custom status for our projects and for our tasks. So I'm going to create one that says needs review from client. And then for description, you can either leave blank or just go ahead and copy what you did for the label if no other description's available. So client needs to review. And then I'm going to attach this to the different modules. So in this instance, we're going to attach it to projects and we're going to attach it to tasks. Once you're done with that, you can just click on Create New Status. And now what we're going to do is we're going to dig in and create a new project, or act like we're creating a new project, just to see if those statuses were created for us. Alright, so I can see that our new status has been created. Let's dig into creating a new project. So I'll go into the productivity section and I'll go create a new project. And as we can see here, we do have our new status that's been created. So this can apply to projects, tasks, leads, opportunities, and a few more. Feel free to reach us at the bottom right-hand corner if you have any questions we can help with.